This is just a quick tutorial of how to replace the battery in the blue Parrot 450. I looked on YouTube myself and didn't see anything available, so I decided to do one myself. Maybe it might help someone else. Fairly simple. You got 4 screws on the top side. Sorry about the view of the camera. I know it's not the best. Hope you guys get the gist of it. Remove the earpiece, pretty simple. 4 screws on top here. And it looks like most of the screws are about the same size. So you won't have to worry about mixing them up. Get the 4 screws out of the earpiece. Comes right off. As you can see, there's a speaker. Pull it to the side kind of gently. Got 1 more screw here in the middle. It's all connected there, so be a little easy with it. You got 4 more screws here behind it. And again, it's actually pretty easy to replace it once you get it in there. It's actually plug and play. As it comes out the back side of there, you flip it open. And there is your battery. Unplug it right from there. And of course, reassemble it the same way. Thought it might have helped someone out by doing a quick tutorial. Again, I didn't see one on there, so hope you guys liked the video. If you could, thumbs up and subscribe if you possibly can. Thanks a lot.